In this video, we're going to illustrate how to combine graphics to make a banner for a web page. So I have a number of graphics which I've already sized for the dimensions of a banner that I'd like in classic Google Sites. I'll choose one of these, and then I want to download it to my drive. So I'll just download that. Meanwhile, I've also chosen an image of myself, which I'm going to put on top of that. So I open that up and download that. So now we have two images that we want to put together onto the website. Now notice that the portrait has a fairly uniform background. So long as the background color is uniform, there's relatively little shadows, and it's not the same color as components of your face or your garments, you can extract it very easily in Pixlr. So I'm going to open up the image here first of the banner background. So we can see Atlantis, one of the space shuttles that are going over what it looks like Bahamas. And now I'm going to import another layer. I'm going to import this layer. I'm going to select the image here, which will be the image of myself. Now because I'm importing it into an existing image, it already resized the image to the vertical dimensions of the banner. So I don't need to resize this here, at least to make it fit. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to cut out the background. So using the cutout tool, I'm going to use the magic cutout, which allows me to select colors that are relatively similar. So I can click on this, and then I can click here and click there, and then all the background has now been removed. I'm then going to use the arrange tool to position the picture where I want it to be, and then just drag from a corner to do a size adjustment on the graphic. The final thing is to basically put in some text. So I'm going to use the text tool here. Let's say I'd like to add some new text, and let's say we wanted to call this computer supported collaborative learning. And then it's just a matter of choosing the right font. So click on this, and I'll say I'd like to make that Arial. And so now the font should be Arial. And now we can just adjust the size appropriately. So we'll just drag this the size up here so we can read it. And then if I resize the text box, I can change it to where it's now 2 lines of text. Now all I have to do is save it. And in this case right here, I'm going to save this as called a CSCL banner. And now it's ready to install into the banner of a classic Google Sites.